Have you ever wondered why your muffins are dry? So try this recipe and see how moist your muffins are going to turn out to be. Here I will show you two varieties of muffins using blueberry and chocolate chips. So let's see what all are the ingredients needed. Here I am using unsalted butter so that you can adjust the quantity of salt going inside your muffins. For the eggless options, you can replace it with yogurt and baking soda. So into a clean bowl, add in butter, unsalted butter and fine sugar or caster sugar. If you are using normal sugar, powder it and add it. Then add in salt and using a hand whisk, beat it very well for around 2 to 3 minutes until it's well combined and fluffy. Once it turns pale yellow, you are going to add in the egg and the vanilla essence or the extract. Okay, so if you are vegetarian, you can omit this part and add yogurt along with the milk mixture later. Okay, now beat the mixture very well. Once you add the egg, your sugar crystals will dissolve easily. You may use a electric beater at this time, but I just wanted to show it's so easy to mix with a normal balloon whisk. Now in a sifter, add in your 1 cup of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So if you are using baking soda, this is the time you are going to add in for the eggless option. Okay, now using a spoon, mix it very well and sift in half the batch of the dry ingredients into this mixture. Now add in the yogurt and the milk mixture into it and using a folding method or gentle motion, mix in the dry ingredients very well. Now sift in the remaining dry ingredients. So the wet ingredients was added in one shot. So you started with the dry, then you added the liquid and then the dry. Now using gentle motions, mix in until you do not see any dry lumps. Okay, now I am transferring half the portion of this batter into another bowl. I am going to add in frozen blueberries. You may use any berries or fresh fruits, whichever you like. And into the remaining, I am adding in some dark chocolate chips. I will mix it. Do not overmix this batter, otherwise it will turn tough after baking. So I have used 9 muffin liners. I will scoop out around 1 1/4 tablespoon of batter into each. So I got around 9 muffins and I will top with more frozen blueberries and chocolate chips. Here I am also adding some almond nibs onto the chocolate chip ones. Now you have already started preheating the oven at 180 degrees, top and bottom coil. You will bake it for around 18 to 20 or 25 minutes depending on the type of oven. And once they are done, you will take it out and let it cool so that you can enjoy with milk or tea or have it as an evening snack or send it for your kids as snack. Enjoy and let me know your feedbacks and comment. Thank you and take care.